So after adding the HTTP base address, we will add these 3 lines here, 4 lines actually. One is for adding the session storage service and the toast service authorization, and we are adding the custom authentication state provider for authentication state provider. And let's save this and go to the imports, and here after the shared using, we will add this few lines. The first one is for toasting, and then the second one is for toast services, the third one is for text editor, the fourth one is for apex chart, and the last one is for infinity scrolling component. We will save it and we will go to the app Blazor, and we will wrap the whole router inside a cascading parameter, cascading authentication parameter, and we will move this into this block. We have to add another import after shared, this one, and I think it's fixed now. And that's it. We have completed the program CS app and imports.